Hello students, today I am going to start another chapter. It's chapter 5 from your second term syllabus, and name of this chapter My Neighborhood. So in this chapter we are going to learn about neighborhood and community, then various places in our neighborhood and how to take care of our neighborhood. Okay, so now let's start our chapter. First, what is neighborhood? We all live in a house, isn't it? We all live in a house. And you see the area where you live. You were living in any places. Suppose you were living in Karimganj and it's your town. Okay, now you see where is your house located. Where is the house situated? And the area around your house is called neighborhood. That means the definition of neighborhood is the area around our house is called our neighborhood. Now, who are neighbors? Neighbors are the people living near our home. That means the family or the people who live near our house are our neighbors, and together we form a neighborhood. Okay, is it clear? Now, community. What is community? Community is like a big family, and it's formed of people who help us in our daily lives. That means the people who help a community by doing useful activity are called community helper. Example, doctor, policeman, plumber, grocer, nurse, etc. So many community helpers. Okay, that means the person who help us in our daily life or help the community by doing useful activities, they are called community helper. Now, places of neighborhood. A neighborhood has different places. It may be hospital. There may be hospitals. There may be schools. There may be parks. There may be markets. There may be police stations. There may be post office, etc. Lots of places. Okay, now let us study about this. Study about the different places of our neighborhood. First one is school. School, you all go to school, isn't it? Why do you go to school? You all go to school to study or to gain knowledge. That means a school is a place where we go to study. The teacher at school help us to learn. And teacher is a community helper. Okay, teacher help us in our studies. And you can also make new friends in school. You can play different games also in your school. Next one, hospital. Hospital is a place where sick people are treated by doctors and nurses. That means sick people are treated in hospital and doctor and nurse take care of them. Doctor give them medicines and cure the patients. Cure means make the patient or make the person free from illness. Then doctor and nurse are also community helper. They help us, na? Doctor and nurse help us. They are also community helper. Next one, post office. Post office. I don't know you have seen post office or not. But post office also is important or essential places in our neighborhood. Post office, you all write letters to your friends and relatives, and we drop this letter in post box. Now, post box is like this. You'll just look at the picture. A red color box, a red letter box, red color box. This is called post box, and when we write letter, we drop this letter in this post box. Okay, and the postman who works in the post office, they all collect the letter and deliver them to us. It is the work of a postman to deliver letter to us. Then postman is also a community helper. Now next one, police station. Police station. Police station is a place where thieves are taken to when they are caught. So, and police station, in a police station, policemen work in a police station. What is the work of them, or what is the work of a police station? If something happen wrong in our society, the policemen come and help us. No, the policemen also help us to find out if we lose anything. If we lost anything, policemen help us. Then police also help us to stop crime. It's the duty of a policeman. They also help us like this way, na? So policeman is also a community helper, and police station is also an important part of our neighborhood. Another one, library. Library is a place where people sit and read book. That means you can go to library and you can sit there and read books also. You can also borrow books from library and bring them in home, and after that you have to return this book. Okay, after we finish the reading, we have to return this book. And another most important thing is that, remember that you have to be quiet inside a library. Okay, always remember this, you have to be quiet inside a library. Then another one is market. Market is very important. Now, market is a very important place in our neighborhood. Market is the place where we can buy different things we need in our day-to-day life. We need lots of things in our day-to-day life, like food, clothes, shoes, different things like pencils, books, copies, toys, chocolates, etc. So many things you all need, no? So for this we have to go to market. For these things we have to go to market. That means if you want to purchase these things, you have to go to market. All these things are sold in market. Okay, hope you will go to market now with your parents. Suppose you need a copy, even you have need a copy, or you have need a pencil, you have to go to market now to purchase these things. Okay, now greengrocer and grocer. Who are greengrocer? Greengrocers are the people who sell fruits and vegetables. Who sell only fruits and vegetables, they are called greengrocer. And grocers are the persons who sell bread, egg, rice, pulses, juice, biscuits, etc. So many things. They are called grocer. Okay. Now next one is park. Park is also a place in our neighborhood. Park is a place where we go to play with our friends. So children, you can go to park for playing with your friends. Okay, you can play there and have fun also. Another thing is that people can walk, exercise and jog in park also. We enjoy fresh air in the park. And there are slides, swings, seesaws in the park. You can enjoy this. You can also ride your bicycle in the park. Okay, it is a place for enjoying. For kids, park is a place for enjoying. Then another one is fire station. Have you ever seen fire brigade? Hope you have seen this, fire brigade. So when a fire breaks out, we call a fire station. We call a fire station, and firemen, the firemen who works at the fire station, they are called firemen. Firemen, the truck they drive contain water. That means it's called fire brigade. Fire brigade contain water, and water is used to put out fire. Another one is swimming pool. A swimming pool is a place where we can swim. You all know this. The swimming pool is a place where we can swim. We have fun while swimming in the water. And swimming brings relief to us during the hot summer month. Now, important thing is that taking care of our neighborhood. It's very important to keep our neighborhood clean, as neighborhood are the area around our house, so it's our duty to take care of our neighborhood, to keep our neighborhood clean. So we can keep our neighborhood by following some rules. Number 1, throw waste materials into dustbin. Never throw any waste materials here and there, or on the road, or in drains, etc. You have to throw your waste materials into dustbin. Point number 2, reuse as much of waste materials as you can. What is reuse? Reuse means to use a thing again. There are so many waste materials that you can reuse again. That can be reused again. For example, plastic bottle. You can use a plastic bottle in various ways. You can use an empty plastic bottle as a planter for flowers, or you can also use it for making crafts or any house decors. Another one is that you can also make flowers, birds, and many other things like photo frame or any other house decors with waste paper or newspaper. So that means instead of throwing these waste materials, you can also use it. Use it in many ways, and it's called reuse. And point number 3, plant saplings near our house and take care of them. Now, what is sapling? Sapling means a young tree. You can plant trees near your house and take care of them. It gives us fresh air. Plants give us fresh air and shades also. So, children, that's all for today. Hope you have understood this chapter. And you were studying well at home. Hope you all are studying well at home. Stay safe, guys. Thank you.